Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing makeup. As you can see, I'm going to do a little haul here. So I got CoverGirl, and you can see all the colors. I got another palette, another CoverGirl, and then Audrey was so nice to bring over her mascaras. The one's called Better Than Sexy, or whatever. Too Faced mascara, and then she got this other one just for touch-ups. Then she got the e.l.f. makeup for eyeshadow, hair ties, and makeup wipes. I couldn't think for a second, and brushes, and my own lip balm. Oh, we're gonna be doing the makeup, but I'm gonna be using this CoverGirl palette. So I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl with the eyeshadow. So this is brand new, everyone, so. All right, we are back. Just had to get some Q-tips. Does it look like I have something on my eye, guys? Okay, anyway, I cannot see it for sure. We're back, sorry. I just thought I didn't have anything on my eye. Okay, continuing. I did the other eye. Anyway, I may post this, I may not, but.
Oh no, it's 3:38.
And we said everyone we wanted to go to McDonald's.
Oh.
No.
Dude, she's gonna poop on the floor if we don't let her out. Okay. Cut. We have to let the dogs out.
So we're back. The eyeshadow took my dog out. That was disgusting. Anyway, so now we're moving on to mascara. Huh?
Ready? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so that they can see. Ready? Look at the camera. Yes! Oh my god.
Okay, next.
I just want to watch you do your makeup. This is way more entertaining than you doing it.
I make my YouTube more interesting. Should I do like this too, but like with this gold?
Okay, well, you should put this one on like the inner corner of your eye right here. It would look really good. And you could use that as a highlighter too, because it's shimmery.
Okay. Okay, cut the camera.
So we just did her inner corners.
Well, she did my inner corner because I was
It's
not
so
about to trust
shimmery.
myself with that.
It was so shimmery. God, it was so good.
Where's my lip balm? I thought I just had it. Okay. Water break. I'm gonna give this to Audrey because it's called Sugar Mint and I hate mint. So.
Haha, it's mine. But basically, it is.
I never used it. Never in a billion years ever used that.
And it's some fun lip balm.
Actually, I was about to use this and then I might not actually mind using this. Taking it back. Okay.
full look at the camera. Mm-hmm. Good.
Okay. Anyway.
You should use this as highlighter too.
Let's highlight. Wait.
Highlight goes on the tip of your nose, right here, right here, and right here.
What's that thing that called like?
That's contour, but you need like a brownish shade for that.
This is brown.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it shimmery?
No, it's just brown.
Okay, so next we're gonna do contour.
Alright. We're back.
So we just did some contouring.
Well, it
some
didn't really work out.
Yeah, it didn't really work out. So we did some really light contouring.
There's really nothing better to do. Wait, wait, is this the same as eyeshadow? Or what can we use it as?
You can use this as highlight because we have a highlighting brush. So next we're gonna do highlight.
Hi.
So we just did some highlight.
I had to look at myself. Oh my. I cannot believe. And again, people who watch my YouTube videos, I never put on makeup. Like, ever. And let me tell you, it is a transformation. Sometimes, and I'm gonna have to take this all off before I go to bed. But so this is it. I'm just gonna stand up, show the new look. The hair was done by today, so yeah, that's cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm gonna take off all this makeup and we're gonna do Audrey next. If you want to see something, that will be on her channel. Good day and bye.